All right, so we back with Glenn Velvet Reviews, and now we got a new computer part that we're going to check out. Me and my girlfriend got this for my sister's husband for his birthday. So this is his birthday gift. It's the first time us opening it, giving a review, and let's see what it looks like. Hopefully he likes it. Let's go from there. Let's open this puppy up. Let's see.
What?
I know you got to build a second computer, and it's got to be in style. So this one has lights and everything, ready to be all that you can customize to red, everything. All right. Oh, let's do a close-up of the box. So this is called the Corsair Crystal Series 460X RGB. Comes with 3 fans that you can control. As long as you have a new motherboard or an adapter, you can always get the adapter, the guy said, then it'll be fine. And then you can control all your LEDs and your fans, which is kind of cool. So this is kind of just an idea of the box. So let's get this opened. Let's see what this looks like. All right. Let's see what this puppy looks like, huh? This is the first time I was opening up the box because we didn't have the guy open up the box. Let's see. Maybe it's easy if we just turn it over, right? There we go. Oh, what came out?
Don't break it.
I know, yeah, there's glass.
Okay, Micro Center's pretty good.
We returned,
We're
yeah.
awesome.
All right. So take this, right? It goes like, this is the right way, right? This. All right, so you just pull these right off. Okay.
This looks nice.
Yeah, it has glass on the side to show off all your stuff that lights up. Has the glass panel on the front to show off your lights. It says it has very good cooling.
Yeah, with the gap here, it's really good.
Should be good for cooling. They said it could be water cooled. You can even expand it into water cooled, the guy said. Like there are options for it on this one, which are pretty cool. And it has little thumb screws on the front, so you don't have to deal with a screwdriver when you want to mess around with stuff.
Yeah, this is to access the front fans in case you need to clean them and stuff.
I know.
But you're really not gonna go in there unless it's too clean.
Unless it's really dirty, yeah.
Yeah.
So, top says magnetic, right? Magnetic filter.
Oh,
yeah.
nice.
So that's a magnetic filter that you can just clean and just take off. When you put, they said you can add up to 2 fans, you can add a radiator, you can add the water cooling on here. This is
Right,
supposed
the
to be
radiator is
expandable.
for the water cooling.
For your water cooling, yeah. So they said that, you can pretty much expand this thing to anything, is what they said. For a mid tower.
Right.
Obviously, if it had a full tower, we saw a full tower, yeah, and that thing was like this big, and it had like all this water crazy, and I'm like, that's too big. It would have been under your thing like that. Look at it, it was so big. So yes, that's a review. That's us unboxing it. Let's open it up, just so people can have an idea about the inside.
Nice.
All right, thumb screws come right out. Some of them are made into the glass on some of the other ones that they made. I saw they like that, so you don't lose your screws, but hopefully you're not that stupid. You lose your screws anyway. So this glass, supposed to come right off like this.
Feels heavy?
No, yeah. Just supposed to be a piece of tempered glass, that's all. And this is what the inside looks like. Right, here's all your fans and here's your box,
And
right?
they have some sort of it's almost like a private compartment for your power supply.
Oh, okay.
To make the whole setup look cleaner.
Really nice. And you can run, I guess, wires and stuff through there.
So you're hiding your power supply, which is usually not the prettiest part.
Mm-hmm.
So they're giving you this cover, and cables come out through here for power.
And it said that the reason why they have the one side dark was so you can run the wires and only show off the one side and then have the mess
Right.
on the side that doesn't have glass.
Right, so some cables come in through there.
Okay.
They can come out and through one of those loops.
And you can make it all
So
look nice.
you basically zip tie and tuck them in the back so everything is nice and clean.
Okay. Does this side pop off at all?
It does, yeah, so you can...
Oh, it does. It has the screws over there. I just want to see is the controller. There it is. Okay, I just want to make sure. I was like, where's that?
Ah, nice.
Yeah,
Turn
I
it
was like,
around
where's
so you
that
can see it.
controller? So, because the other one that we got, we had to do like research before we picked it out. The other one didn't really have a controller. I didn't like that, and I was like, Corsair seems like the better
color,
the better brand. So, and it says you're supposed to be able to set this up, or set what? I think set this up to a certain button or something like that. So it says you can set this up to some kind of. You can make this control something. If you wire it to the board, you can make it like change the lights or change fan speed or something. They said you have to like change the way it works.
This seems to be bright.
Oh, there we go. Okay, never mind. The lights are right there.
I think that might be. This
Just
is to turn it on. This is the reboot.
Okay.
And then
here it is. Okay, light control, speed. Ah, okay. Everything's right
else.
here. Everything's right here. Okay, right on the front. That's awesome. Okay.
And then to make it even cleaner, you can put your SSDs here.
Ah.
And then the wire just comes through here.
Comes right out. So yeah, and like, oh yeah, there's another one down here. I guess that's for the fan. Oh, you can add up to another couple fans down here. I think has 3, 4, and 5. Oh, that's awesome.
I wonder what this is.
I don't know what that is. But that's...
Actually, wait. This might be what's controlling the.
Oh, is that going to the motherboard or something, or?
Yeah, this will go to the motherboard.
Okay. All right, so that's our box opening of this. So you guys can get a idea and see what this thing looks like. Maybe you guys like it. Maybe it'll work out for someone in your house, or maybe just for you. So like I said, these are the internal parts. You can really get an idea in there. I know it looks a little dark, but then here's the top. There's the controller. There's the front again. And like I said, here's the side that's gonna be hiding all the wires and stuff like that on that side, so you guys can get a good look. All right, so that's just a little unboxing review of this mid-tower case that we got. Hopefully it works out, and you know, if it helps you, leave a comment below. I didn't go in that much depth of the case, but hopefully it helps you out. If it does, let me know. If you have any questions, any comments, always post them below. By the time I put this video up, I probably will, my sister's husband will have this a little bit more set up because I'm a few weeks behind. So any questions, comments, make sure you post below. No problem. Subscribe to my channel. I always do reviews at least once or twice a week on any new products that I get, and try to help out everybody as much as possible with their decision making on stuff that they would like to buy as a consumer. So hopefully, I did help some people out in a little bit of way. And thank you for watching, everybody. Like I said, Glenn Velvet Reviews. Please subscribe. Have a good one. Bye-bye.